Look at this spacious living area, super spacious kitchen, and it's a modern. So this is the master bedroom. Again, hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Aqua Vista by the builder Sattva in Bannerghatta Road. Before we get to know a lot about the project, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform which connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing where you go for an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 3 acres with the 3 towers, and the available stories are 1 basement, 1 ground with 18 or 19 floors, and the available variants are 3 BHK and 4 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Royal Meenakshi Mall is just 1.4 kilometers away, Nice Road is just 1.7 kilometers away, and Fortis Hospital is just 3.6 kilometers away from this project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has amazing amenities such as a swimming pool, gymnasium, party hall, clubhouse, kids play area, kids pool area, as well as a senior citizen lawn, yoga lawn, and many more. Right now we are in front of 3 BHK sample flat tour called Aqua Vista by the builder Sattva. Before we look at the flat, let's look at the servant room. Let's go. So this is the servant room which has a single bed and it is super spacious and windows for ventilation. It also has an attached bathroom. So this is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipments. So yes, this is the servant room in this luxurious 3 BHK sample flat. And now it's time to look at the sample flat. So as you enter, you can see this is the spacious passage and you can see a big mirror over here with a table which you can decorate it the way you want. And here, look at this spacious living area. Wow, it's super spacious where you can place super big sofas with big tables, and also there is a storage unit over here and a table where you can place your decorative items. And now it's time to look at the balcony. Yes, this is the balcony with a big French sliding door, and look at this balcony. It's super spacious and they've given this lawn finish which is really amazing. You can spend your leisure time here having a sip of coffee. So yes, this is the balcony. And now it's time to look at the dining area in this 3 BHK flat. So yes, this is the dining area. Again, it's very spacious and look at the color combination. It's really amazing and it is super big. And now it's time to look at the kitchen. Wow. Again, super spacious the kitchen, and it's a modular kitchen. Look at the storage units. A lot of storage units are given for your storage purpose. And yes, this is the wash basin, and here you have utility spaces, and you can use it as a washing area as well because they've given tap, and a huge window for ventilation purpose. And yes, the light color combinations are really amazing. And now it's time to look at the first bedroom in this 3 BHK flat called Aqua Vista. So yes, this is the first bedroom. Again, super spacious, and there's wardrobe on the right side, and on the left side you have very much spacious place where you can decorate it whatever you want, and a window for ventilation. And now it's time to look at the bathroom, but before that, right opposite to the bed you have a space here which you can use it as a television unit, or you can just place your decorative items. And this is the bathroom. And yes, this bathroom has anti-skid tiles with high-end sanitary equipment and windows for ventilation. So yes, this was the first bedroom in this 3 BHK flat, and now it's time to look at the second bedroom. So this is the way to the second bedroom, and here you can see there's a huge window for ventilation, and yes, a table where you can place your decorative items, or you can design it the way you want. And now it's time to look at the common bathroom in this 3 BHK flat. This is the common bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment and windows for ventilation. It has a huge mirror. They've designed it really well. And now let's look at the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Again, super spacious. The color combination is really amazing, and there's wardrobe on the right side, and on the left you can see the window for ventilation. And here you have your study area. Yes, a table and storage space. Yes, it's super big and super spacious. Now it's time to look at the master bedroom in this 3 BHK flat called Aqua Vista. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide you sample flat tour, we give you actual location tour, the pros and cons why you should invest in this project, pricing details such as the EMI and down payment, and also 360-degree virtual project tour. And now it's time to look at the 3 BHK flat master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Again, very spacious. Look at the color combination, it's really amazing, and there's a lot of space on both the side of the bed. Yes, this is the huge wardrobe. It has a mirror over here, and the color combination is really fantastic. And on the right side you can see the balcony. Okay, so yeah, this is the balcony with lawn finish. As you can see, it's super spacious and you can enjoy the view over here. And now it's time to look at the bathroom in this master bedroom. As you go to the bathroom, you can see there's a huge mirror over here which you can use it as a dressing area. And this is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipments, window for ventilation, and yes, they've given a storage space here, mirror. It's really super spacious and it is fantastically designed. So yes, this was all about the 3 BHK sample flat, a tour called Aqua Vista by the builder Satwa. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this project or any feedback, you can mention it in the comment section below. Before you go, do not forget to like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about amazing videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Aqua Vista by the builder Satwa, located in Bannerghatta Road.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.